Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today is 27 December 2020. We have passed 2 days from Christmas and there are only 4 days left in New Year. The temperature in Delhi is still very low. It's still freezy and cold, but nonetheless, you have to get from your bed and you must watch my video. Today's topic is Consumer Protection Act 2019. In this video, we learn about who is a consumer, who can file a complaint, what kind of a complaint can be filed, before whom the complaint shall be filed, and what will be the jurisdiction of relevant authorities. So the litigators drafted Consumer Protection Act 2019 with the sole aim for the interest of consumer and so that the consumer disputes can be resolved expeditiously. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 vividly says that only a person who avails services from another person or who buys goods and services from another person is consumer under Consumer Protection Act. But if the goods and services are availed for the resale purpose or for commercial purpose, then that person shall not be considered as consumer. The difference between earlier Consumer Protection Act, that is 1986, and the present Consumer Protection Act 2019 is that it now also covers online and offline transactions both, which means if you have purchased any goods or availed services from any online platform like Instagram, Facebook, or any other online platform which gives services, then you will be protected under Consumer Protection Act. The right of the consumer is that they must be informed about the standard, quality, quantity, nature of the goods and services which they are being availed of or they are purchasing. Further rights which the consumer possess are that they must be protected from the hazardous goods and services. They must also be protected from the unfair trade practices or unfair contracts. The Act has established Central Consumer Protection Authority, which regulates the cases which are related to unfair trade practices or misleading advertisements, unfair contracts, or violation of consumer rights. In these cases, the Central Consumer Protection Authority has been given the right to impose a penalty on the violators, or they can give the orders for withdrawal of such services and order for reimbursement of cash which the consumer had given while availing the services or while purchasing the goods. The complaint can be filed before the Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The Consumer Redressal Commissions are divided into three categories, which is at the district, national, and state level as per their pecuniary jurisdictions. We find the pecuniary jurisdiction over here. Complaint can be filed for anything like for overcharged services, deficiency in services, defective goods, unfair contracts, for the contravention of standards if the trader or service provider has failed to maintain such standards. Separate definition of service provider which is given under the Act and which does not include the seller of immovable property, but it shall include the seller of immovable property only if such seller is engaged in the construction of flats or houses. So guys, I hope you like this video and this video has helped you in some or the other way. So please share, like, and subscribe my video channel and share this video to people as much as possible so they also get aware of what legal rights they possess and how the law can help them in any which way. Thank you. Bye.